From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into a few clicks or a single API call to scrape marine vessel listings quickly and accurately. Navigate to your target page on vesselfinder.com. Minexa.ai works directly on live dynamic and filtered listings like this with ease. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. It begins reading the page immediately to prepare for data extraction. Click the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page" so Minexa.ai can scan the page and detect the marine vessel listings automatically. Minexa.ai identifies navigation flows seamlessly. The next page detection is set and will apply automatically to every future run. Choose List Mode to scrape just the results page, or Detail Mode to also extract data from every linked page behind each vessel listing. Use Continue Mode for most pages. Advanced Mode is available for interactive layouts, where data appears only after user actions. The highlighted block contains your complete marine vessel dataset. Click Create Scraper to begin analyzing the structure. Minexa.ai shows all extracted fields like vessel names, types, locations, and statuses. Select the data points you want. This setup will be reused on every run. Developers can click the API request button to get code that scrapes up to 50,000 URLs in parallel, automating large-scale marine data extraction. Validate and complete your configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to lock in your scraper settings. Minexa.ai has detected the Next Page button automatically. If none exists, simply continue. Navigation runs smoothly every time. Your scraping job is ready. Click to create it and extraction will begin immediately, gathering marine vessel data efficiently. Hit Run and watch your dataset generate instantly. You can export it to Excel, JSON, Google Sheets, or use API pipelines right after completion. Each column in your dataset matches the correct page section. Ads and unrelated content are excluded, leaving vessel names, types, locations, and statuses perfectly extracted from marine vessel listings. Click Export to download your dataset. Every value comes from the exact right spot on the page, ensuring no AI hallucinations or errors. With Minexa.ai, the web becomes a structured database you can query, automate, and scale, starting with any page you choose for marine vessel data extraction.